Alright, I'm going to show you how to do an update on a firmware update on your DJI Phantom 3. First thing to do is we turn on the transmitter, and then I'll turn on to the drone. It'll do its little happy tone when it starts. So I'm going to go to my iPad, and I've already set it up here. It says firmware update, so everything's gone. Hit start update. Oh, yeah, what I got to do here is, first of all, instead of go to my Wi-Fi connection and change it up to Phantom 3, and once that connects, I can go back to my and then I do the start. No SD card unable to update. It says I need an SD card, so I'll put one in. Alright, I went ahead and updated, or I put my SD card in. Now I'm going to start the transmitter up again, and then we'll start the drone up. It'll ring chime here. Alright, now let's make sure we have this set on the Wi-Fi. We'll put it on Phantom 3. Now that's on Phantom 3. We'll hit the start update. Now it says it's upgrading, so we're going to just let it do its update now. During the time it's updating there, you'll hear the drone making some little dit noises. You can probably hear it. The lights sometimes will flash off and on and that. And on the screen here right now it says upgrading 20%, so we just gotta wait till it gets done. We'll see how it goes. Alright, it says restart your aircraft and remote controller. So we're gonna shut this off. And shut that off. And I'll hit OK. Alright, now I'm going to turn the remote control back on. And turn the bird back on. Now, as it goes up, we'll make sure we put the Wi-Fi back onto the Phantom. It says it's connecting. And I will go back here. Now it says it's ready to go here. So we'll connect the. There we go. It says I have the latest firmware, so we're all in good shape. I always move the camera up and down, make sure I got good connection. So it looks like the firmware has been updated, and the next thing I want to do is see if my Litchi app will work since the new update. Alright, we started the Litchi app now, and right now it's working. I'll move the camera up and down, and it seems like it's working out here. We'll have to put the propellers onto the drone and do a fly once and see how it works out. But hopefully this new update has took care of the problem we was having with Litchi, and maybe it'll work now. Yeah, as you can see, Litchi shut down. So having the same problem, I had emailed Litchi about it, and they said, well, your tablet was out of date. Well, I had just bought this tablet. This is the Galaxy Tab A, and it was working fine until they did the last update. and now Litchi doesn't work. So apparently Litchi has failed again, and so the problem keeps on going. I just don't. I think either they need to fix it or refund our money when the app is not continuously working. Others have had success with it, but so far I haven't, and there's no reason that you have to go out and buy a new iPad or tablet every time they do an update, because that's just a poor business on it. And so from what I understand, this tablet should work fine, and it did before, so we still continually having the Litchi problems. So the update didn't help that. I don't know how it'll be with the Go app, so because I haven't flown it yet, but we'll check it out. Alright, I restarted the Litchi app a couple times, and again, this is the Android version that I'm using, and right now it seems like it's operating. What I've done is went through and changed some of the settings off and on to just see how it reacts. And right there, I'm trying to get it there. See, it stopped. So yeah, it still continue to plague me with the stopping thing. Okay, I have an iPad 2, and I'm going to try it here. And see, it's already hooked up to the Phantom, and I do have the Litchi app on here. And here's our Litchi app. Let's start it up and see what happens there. I had rebooted the entire system here, and we'll see if it doesn't even come up. You hit the app, and it just closes right back up again. If you hit the DJI Go app, it should work, but the Litchi app won't work whatsoever on there. And yeah, I still think what they've done is they've upgraded to the point it won't no longer work on some of the iPads, which it's that's pretty bad that you purchase this product. I've actually purchased the Apple version and the Android version, and I'm having trouble on both of them. Actually, the Apple version won't work at all. And see, it came right up on Go, so I can only use Go on it. So I don't know, any of you other unions have had this problem with it. Maybe we ought to all gang up on Litchi there and tell them either fix it or give us our money back. I was told the next DJI firmware update would take care of it, and I just did that. They just came out with a new firmware, and I updated it. It hasn't helped out a bit. So hey, if you guys enjoyed this video about the update in the Litchi on the Phantom 3 Standard, give me a thumbs up. Hey, if you have any comments, leave the comments below. What kind of issues have you had? What kind of problems have you had? What have you done maybe to take care of the problem? And say, I'm using a Android, the Tab A, the Galaxy Tab A, which is a pretty decent little iPad. It's not the best in the world, but it's pretty decent. And it ran it fine before Litchi did their latest update. So if you have any comments, leave your comments below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And so we'll see you next time.